Hey kinfolk, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making salt and pepper chicken. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need chicken wings, shallot, jalapeños, sugar, cornstarch, salt, ground white pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken bouillon, and Shaoxing cooking wine. Begin by adding a tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine and a tablespoon of chicken bouillon to the chicken. Season with salt, black pepper, ground white pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Give it a mix until evenly coated. Cover and marinate for an hour up to overnight. Dice a shallot. Thinly slice 2 jalapeños. Mince 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Next, we're going to make the salt and pepper mixture. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and a half tablespoon of black pepper. Add a cup of cornstarch to a Ziploc bag and season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Give it a shake to mix the seasonings. Add the chicken and shake until evenly coated. We're using the double fry method. Fry the chicken for 6 minutes, allow it to rest for 1 minute, then drop it back in and fry for another 2 minutes. Heat up some oil in a wok. Add shallots and jalapeños and saute for 2 minutes or until tender. Once tender, add minced garlic and saute for a minute or until fragrant. Add the chicken. Season with a generous amount of salt and black pepper mixture. And there you have it, salt and pepper chicken. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.